On the VakRapid 2.0, it's got three features: gas vac, vac gas, and off. With the flip of a switch, you're allowed to do a gas vac on your bags or a vacuum gas. By turning these features on the off setting would allow your machine to do a seal only. You can increase your gas time from 1 to 5 and the vacuum also 1 to 5. Both of these features, the gas can also be set all the way to 0, which eliminates the gas, creating a vacuum only. Or you can also set the vacuum all the way to 0 and increase your gas, giving it a gas only. On the VakRapid 2.0 band setter, all our units now have a digital screen. They're no longer analog, they're all digital format. We have our fan setting, our heater, and our power. On our digital panel, you can increase your heat or lower your heat depending on the thickness or material structure of the bag that's being used on this machine. This unit also has a compression wheel. This knob here is our compression adjustment knob. Depending on the thickness and size of your bag, the tensioner can be increased or decreased. Also on the VakRapid 2.0, you'll notice our nozzle here. That one nozzle does the vacuum and the gas as well. The nozzle does move with your bag, which we'll give you an example shortly. Also below here, you notice we have the sensor. Once the bag is placed on that sensor, it'll notify the machine, which then begins whatever option it is, gas vacuum or vacuum gas. On our first bag, we are switching to a gas vac. I'm gonna go ahead and touch the sensor so you can see the operation of the gas through the nozzle. It'll flush the bag with a nitrogen gas. The bag was flushed with gas, then it was vacuum sealed. You see the vacuum seal is tight on the bag after being flushed with gas. You see the seal here up on top of the bag. We are now switching to a vacuum gas here. You see the vacuum, then the gas flow. So this bag has been vacuum sealed. You see the pillow effect here. It's got a gas flush. Then you see the seal up here up on top. We are now turning off these features and creating a seal only. So this bag has no vacuum, nor any gas at all. It's a seal only with the seal here up on top. On the speed adjuster for the conveyor, turning it dialed down turns off or slows down the conveyor. Turning it up will speed up the conveyor. So you see your heat settings here and the speed of the conveyor go hand in hand as well. The higher the temperature, you want to make sure that you have the higher speed on your conveyor. If you slow down the speed of the conveyor with the higher temperature, that can run the risk of melting your material. The lower the temperature, then you can also slow down the speed of the conveyor, depending on the thickness and the material that's being sealed. I'll show you an example of some of the bags being split slower. And then speeding up the conveyor. The E-stop will shut off the machine. Then you twist it and it turns the machine back on. I'll give you an example of how the E-stop button works. You'll see one of our bags being put through the VakRapid 2.0. The machine's off. Machine's on.